G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic home, 13 Prince Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. There's a fair bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in what many call the Golden Triangle precinct in one of Hervey Bay's most popular suburbs of Urangan. This great property offers the lifestyle that comes with being able to stroll to the beautiful esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. You also have the convenience that comes with having key amenities all within minutes of this home, including the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's, Hervey Bay Boat Club, marina and boat ramps, schools, medical centres and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. This well-maintained two-storey brick home does offer dual living across each level and has previously been tenanted with 2 separate leases, making it a solid investment on a 599 square metre allotment in the blue chip location of Urangan, offering high growth potential. This configuration offers so many options going forward, from being a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels while supplementing your income to accommodate extended family members and teenagers. Downstairs you have a fully refurbished 1-bedroom unit featuring an open plan living and dining area as well as the kitchen. The kitchen includes ample bench and storage space. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, an oven, and you've got provision to add a dishwasher if desired. The large bedroom features a built-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet, and you've also got direct access outside to the rear of the home. The laundry is shared between both units and is located on the ground floor. You also have a shared garden shed to house all of your gardening utensils. Vehicle accommodation includes 2 carports to the front, with one being allocated to each unit. Upstairs, there is a deck which wraps around the front and sides of the top unit, making it the ideal space for daily relaxation while capturing the prevailing sea breezes and enjoying Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Upon entering, you have a vast open plan living and dining area with the kitchen to one side. The kitchen includes ample storage space and a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven. There are 2 bedrooms in this upstairs unit, both with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The bathroom includes a bath, shower, vanity and a toilet. This property offers clear side access on both sides with ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. You could also add a large shed, carport or a pool if desired. Properties offering these features in this location are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. The sellers are calling for an immediate sale. So call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.